Welcome to Education and Life. Let's proceed.
When was ISRO founded? 1969. Which of the following represents the finance commissions that have been set up so far? 15. Which of the following is not the language enshrined in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution as the language of the state? English. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun. Which of the following personalities gave the laws of heredity? G.J. Mendel. According to the Constitution of India, which of the following is not one of the main organs of the government? Bureaucracy. In which year did the cabinet mission arrived in India? 1946. Panchayati Raj comes under state list. Which of the following amendments of the Constitution was responsible for deleting the rights to property from the list of fundamental rights? 44th Amendment. When did the War of American Independence take place? 1776. Which of the following is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world? Pacific. The literacy rate of India is 74.04%. SAARC was formed in 1985. Which of the following is not a member of the European Union? Norway. ASEAN is headquartered at Jakarta. Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue, New York is the world's largest railway station. Entomology is a science that studies insects. Which of the following institutes has developed two products, namely 3D printed hands-free object and 3D printed antimicrobial face shield in an effort to control the spread of novel coronavirus to fight COVID-19 outbreak? National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Guwahati. Friction can be reduced by changing from sliding to rolling. The ozone layer restricts ultraviolet radiation. Coral reefs in India can be found in Rameswaram. Which crop is sown on the largest area in India? Rice. The world's smallest country is Vatican City. Novak Djokovic is a famous player associated with the game of lawn tennis. Areas of which of the following current states did not come under control of Vijayanagar Emperor Krishnadev Rai? Maharashtra. Which one of the following was the first fort constructed by the British in India? Fort St. George. Which country below is not one of the members of the UN Security Council, January 2003? Germany. What is the second largest country in size in the world? Canada. Which language is spoken in Karnataka? Kannada. Ball pen function on which of the following principle? Surface tension. The state which has the largest number of sugar mills in India is Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with chief ministers of the country to decide the further plan of action in combat against COVID-19. When was 21-day complete lockdown of the entire nation was announced? 24th March. National Safe Motherhood Day is celebrated on which date? 11 April. When did Mahatma Gandhi died? 30 January 1948. The Dilwara temple is located in Rajasthan. Which gas is used for preparation of soda water? Carbon dioxide. Which state has maximum number of Rajya Sabha seats? Uttar Pradesh. First President of India was Rajendra Prasad. Atmospheric humidity is measured by psychrometer. The smallest union territory is Lakshadweep. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. For which of the following disciplines is Nobel Prize awarded? All of the above. Hitler Party, which came into power in 1933, is known as Nazi Party. The judges of the Supreme Court can be removed by President. First session of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? 1911. Consider the following statement regarding Habeas Corpus Act 1679. All of the above. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? Africa. The first synthetic fiber made by men? Nylon.